through. They couldn't have asked for a better start. Pakistan with the ball. Shine sharp, Freedy strikes and is that danger man. Quinton de Kock. Goes leg side, toe end off the bat. So that's a decent catch in the end. A bit of a bobble, but ends well. A Freedy with a wicket in the first over. The end of the first over, so Pakistan right on top.